Hello guys and welcome back again by a new crypto daily update video, and in today's video we're gonna discuss all these charts and the liquidations of 600 million plus after the cooldown right here. Let's dive right away into the charts. We talked about the trend line a few times here and we broke it towards the downside, so we expected a cooldown. That's exactly what we saw here, but do we need to worry right here? Because there was 650 million more getting wrecked in the crypto market in 24 hours. So this is a pretty good signal. Okay, there were a lot of liquidations here, and if you get liquidated, we're playing with too much leverage here. But if there are too much people winning in the market will take them first out before the next move. Everyone was long on crypto and especially on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we needed to get this shakeout to get the people out of the market here. And 600 million plus is liquidated, which could signal for a move up because not much peoples are in longs right now. So that is exactly what you want to see before the next leg up. So if we look at where we are supporting right now, we're currently supporting at a very important old resistance line and now support line, and we're getting supported by it right now. We got some buy momentum coming in right now, so that means that people are interested in buying in these areas. So that's pretty important to see. And now what we do want to see next is some explosive price action towards the upside, and we have some signals that we may get it today because the liquidation heat map literally shows us that all the people are bearish here, but that's something I want to discuss later in this video. For now, we're just supporting on this old resistance line. Also, if we don't get supported by it and break through it, there's also a very important zone below us where we can find for some entries. But this is a pretty important zone to look for maybe a spot buy or even a trade, because we are down 8% from old all-time highs, which is pretty normal to get a little cool down towards the downside. But please watch this as a big opportunity, a big chance and a big gift of the market to get into crypto again, because if we pump towards the upside here and make new all-time highs, the FOMO is getting into the market and people want to buy in after new all-time highs. But these are the chances to scale into the market. This is exactly what you want to see. Also here, we had that push towards the upside, towards a new all-time high here. This is the start of the push here that brought us a new all-time high, and we are actually supporting by it right now, which is pretty strong, which is a pretty strong signal here. And if we look at the bigger structure, which I talked about on a 4-hour structure, we broke it towards the downside because we broke this low. But if we look at the bigger picture here, which I said, market structure is very important and you need to know much about it and you need how it works, because that will give you a very big advantage in this market. If we look at the market structure here, we're still in an uptrend. If we tend to break towards the upside here and make a move again, then this is a confirmed higher low, and that means that we have a structure of higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and new higher highs. If we do so, and if we get respected this low and we push towards the upside, the next thing you expect here is a new higher high, and that also means a new all-time high. If we do break this higher low here towards the downside, then we expect some more cool down towards the downside, because we broke the old higher low here. So this is a pretty important zone to look out for. If we get supported here, we watch for a new all-time high here. If we break it, we expect some more cool down towards the downside, and especially towards the 94k where we want to be buying in. So market structure wise on the daily, it looks still pretty good here, and after this dump, it maybe looks even better if we got supported by it. But this is exactly what you want to see here, and people are getting out of the market, and that's also especially for Bitcoin what you want to see here. So for now, nothing really happened. If we break this old higher low and this green box, then we will get some more momentum towards the downside and expect maybe a drop towards the 94k here, and that will mean from off the top that we have a 16% move towards the downside, and that is what we have seen in all bull markets. Is around 20% to 15% pullbacks is pretty normal. So if you do see it here, then this is a major buy opportunity. Then also for Ethereum, we're still in a consolidation phase. And if you look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin went down here, went pretty down. If you look, Bitcoin, is in a short downtrend right now. And Ethereum isn't really doing anything here. We're just consolidating in these regions. We have support on the lower side here, which we are supporting on right now. And we have resistance on the top side. This is a squeeze pattern. If we break the support zone here, you can short it. If you break the top side here, you can long it. But I'm very curious to see what price will do at this range. For now, we're getting supported by the lower side, but if we do break towards the downside, we can also enter a short on Ethereum right here towards the downside. So I'm pretty excited to see how this pattern is playing out here. Of course, it's weekend, so that's also something you want to keep in mind on all pairs, the whole crypto market, because the fake out is pretty easy to do right now because there's less volatility in the market. So please keep an eye on that. Also, for the whole crypto market, the total market cap here is also at crucial support and all the resistance here. We were supported by it many times, and we're currently testing it right now. So it's pretty bullish to see also here market structure rise. If we can hold this low and hold this support line, that means that we expect a new higher high towards the $3.5 trillion. So that's exactly what you want to see here. So the total market cap doesn't look that bad for now, but if we do break below it, this is the next zone you want to look out for, and that will mean that we dump another 9% overall in the crypto market. So we rather hold this line and this support zone right here to get the next push towards the upside and new higher highs, and to continue this nice structure towards the upside and a surge in the whole crypto market. Then, like I've said, in the last 24 hours, 660 million got wrecked here. And from that, $590 million were in longs. So that pretty basically means that there were too many people who were in long positions here. And everybody knows this, everybody is looking for longs. There are also winners and losers in the market. And if is anybody winning with longs, that means that there are no losers anymore. So what does tend to happen is to make sure that all the long people got liquidated here before the next move up, because all the people that are liquidated here don't have any open positions, and if price moves up after that, they are not making any money. So that's exactly what you want to see. So a big wrecked liquidation wrecked here. So that's exactly what you want to see, because too many people were too bullish to get another leg towards the upside. And now is exactly when I tend to see, okay, maybe all these people got liquidated, maybe now we will start the next leg towards the upside here. Also, if you look at the liquidation heat map here, we can see that there is a lot of liquidity stacking up above these highs and above us. So that means that we have no liquidity on the lower side, and then the chance is so pretty high, especially in the weekend, to take out this liquidity pretty fast right here. And that means that we maybe could pump through awards a 110k Bitcoin in this weekend. Of course, we're creating a CME gap then, but this liquidity is stacking up so big here that there is a big possibility to take it out. So please keep in mind that there is stacking a lot of liquidity on the top side. So maybe you can anticipate on this with a long position. And if you're in a short position, please keep in mind that you're in a pure liquidity here. So keep an eye on that one. And then, of course, I'm posting everything here live on my Twitter page. If you never want to miss a move again, please make sure to follow me over on X, because I'm posting charts every single day. I'm posting setups every single day. So if you want to make sure to make money with the setups I share, please make sure to follow me over on X. And if you want daily update videos of the crypto market, please make sure to follow me here right over on YouTube. And then I will see you tomorrow by a new crypto daily update video.